guys, I'll be fidget trading with my two cousins. They're taking turns. So, doing her first. Okay, you can start first.
I got this needle.
Okay. I will give you... Wait. Sorry about that, but, I will give you this cherries.
I will do...
Except, I'm surprised. This is a needle. Okay, my turn to start. I'll trade you this cheese.
I will trade you for... this stitch.
You add one more thing. One more thing.
I will give you this,
Okay, I accept. Oh wait, put everything you got from me on another side. Did I get anything else?
I'm gonna put it
No.
right here.
Oh yeah, and that cherries too. Okay, now you start.
Okay. I will give you this orange dumpling.
I will give you this pink dumpling.
This
Yeah.
Oh, I really love it. It makes sound weird.
I know. I will give you this jumbo duck.
And I will give you one of my... Is this an apple?
Don't squish it too much because that's fake. So
This purple dumpling.
I accept. Oh,
It looks
Okay.
like a needle because it's
Your turn.
stitches.
your turn.
And this butter squishy.
I'll trade you this butter squishy.
I will
Accept. Oh yeah, I have to put the stuff from her. Okay. Okay, my turn. I'll trade you this fake needle.
Okay. I will trade from you this white blue dumpling.
I accept.
Oh my god, this needle's so cool.
Okay, we're done playing with you, and then let's do her now. Now it's her turn. You can start first.
I will give you this humongous jumbo cheese squishy.
I will give you this jumbo dragon fruit. And
Each one of you had to get this black dumpling.
I will give you this jumbo. Accept. Okay, my turn. I will give you these packaged things.
I will give you this cheesecake, this, and this.
I accept. I got a needle dream drop, and then I got a fake needle, and this. Okay. Then, your turn?
It's your turn.
Oh yeah. I will give you this red dumpling.
I will give you this dumpling and this one.
I accept. Guys, I know there's a lot of something.
Why is it so cold?
It just says that I haven't been squishing it. Okay,
Okay,
your turn.
my turn. I'm gonna give you this Tabas squishy. Okay.
Want to trade your little dumpling?
We're just doing.
You're trading that?
Yep.
Okay, I'll give you this glitter dumpling. You set?
Yep.
We're gonna do one more round, so my turn. I'll give you this packaged waffle.
That's a Tabas squishy.
Taba.
I will give you a apple and a Tabas squishy.
I accept. Okay, guys, we're gonna do another one for her. Okay, we're doing her again. Okay, you can start first again.
I will give you my my dark two blue.
I don't have that much dumplings left. I guess I'll give you this orange one. That. Oh.
They sound weird.
Okay, my turn. I'll give you this little Nemo that's gold. I colored it gold.
Okay. I would give you this black dumpling.
You can tell me the ad. Because dumplings are more,
I
viral.
picked this.
I'll give you this yellow one. That.
We can do makeup after this.
Yeah, maybe. Okay.
After me and then.
Yeah, your turn. It's your turn. I'm not kidding. I swear my light flip just flip.
Mine does that all the time in the kitchen. I
Never mind.
would give you this yellow dumpling.
I don't really want that have that much dumplings left, but I could give you this. And
Not dumpling.
I'll give you this inflated one. Set. Okay. Now it's time for Lizzie. Now it's her turn. Okay, I'll start this time. I'll give you this baby.
I will give you the chicken dragon.
I accept.
They look like slime. Okay, my turn.
Okay, go.
I will trade this to have a squishy back.
Back. Okay. I'll give you one of yours back. I'll give you this dumpling back. Set. And this technically will go back in this pile. Okay. My turn. Yeah, my turn. I'll give you this little elephant.
I will give you this better squishy and dumpling.
Accept. Okay, I'll do one more round.
Okay. Until we can do that.
Yeah, then now it's your turn.
I know you're gonna let me. I will give this one back, and this one back, and this one back.
Oh, okay. I'll give you this grape and this, and then I'll give you my banana. Accept. That just flickered. I have no idea what that is. Okay, now this is the end of the video. You guys say bye.
Bye.